is whispering, showing the way. Don't look behind you, the river will flow into the valley where the wild winds blow. Leave all the heavy weight, let it depart. Follow the rhythm that beats in your heart. Always forward into the light, through the darkness, through the night, rising higher, touching the sky. Spread your wings and learn how to fly. Never stop, never look back. Stay on the track. Mountains may rise and the storm may appear, but every step clears the vision of fear. The road is calling, the future is wide. With every breath, there's a power inside.